Hello guys, welcome to Barangay Paligsahan. Welcome to Quezon City and the St. Paul the Apostle Paris here in Mother Ignacia Street, Quezon City. Alright. This is Timog. Saan na kaya yung Jollibee? Ay, sa kabila yung Jollibee. Diyan ang Burger King. Ito ang Torre Benicia Hotel. Ganda itong hotel na ito. Torre Benicia Hotel. Yes. Ito naman ang Timog Avenue. Yan, sa likod yung Victoria Towers. Mamaya videoan natin yung Victoria Towers. Ang galing. Ito pala yung Mother Ignacia. Mother Ignacia Street. Haba ng street na to. All the way there, all the way to ABS-CBN there. All the way to ABS-CBN pababa. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Alright. Bye. Thank you.